Motorola is bringing the Edge X30 Pro smartphone on August 2. It will have a 200 megapixel main camera and a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. And now we also know what the phone will look like. We have one big lens and two smaller ones below in a small rectangular setup on the back. The new flagship will support 100-watt charging rates. Back in March, 1GM at Lenovo posted a photo of a 125-watt adapter on their Weibo, revealing the brick weighs only 130 grams. We expect it to break ground next week and we could even see it in retail box. The phone is also reportedly on TINA with up to 16GB RAM and 512GB storage. The OS will be Android 12 and Motorola listed the phone in 9 colors, but we doubt we will see all of them during the launch. Various reports are doing the rounds about an intermittent device from Motorola that could feature a revolutionary camera module. Here's all the news and rumors about the Motorola Frontier. As Lenovo as the parent company of Motorola, this seems to confirm that the long-rumored Motorola Frontier with its huge camera sensor will be arriving in July 2022. We have no information about the potential cost of the Motorola Frontier as the company has only made announcements above so far. Many of the rumors we have seen to suggest that Motorola will be a flagship phone and it will cost around $700. As we have stated earlier, the only detail that Motorola has confirmed so far are the 200 megapixel camera sensor and which month it will be released. The sensor itself is most likely to be the Samsung ISOCELL HP1, which was announced recently by the Korean giant. This has quite a few cool features, with the 200 megapixel resolution having the option to pixel min images down to 50 megapixel. Samsung says that the sensor uses 0.64 ultramicron pixel size, has double super PD autofocus to capture images quickly, plus it also supports up to 8K 30 FPS video recording. Moving away from the optic, most reports we have seen say that the new device will be powered by a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset, which would place it in flagship territory. Motorola has confirmed it has an 8 Plus Gen 1 phone on the way and it's likely to be Frontier, though could instead be the new Moto Razr foldable. This should be accompanied by 8 or 12GB memory and 128 or 256GB storage option as in the normal phones in 2022. The display is thought to be a 6.67-inch OLED panel with curved edges and a 144Hz refresh rate. From that, we can expect super fast 125-watt wired charging as well as wireless fast charging options that top out at 50 watt, most likely in a 405,500 mAh battery. With July not that far off, we expect that more details will begin to break as the release date gets nearer. We will of course update these become available, so check back to see what we can uncover. In the meantime, you can check out our older video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.